couldn't transform. I was trying to transform into something else, but it didn't work.
Yo, back in another video, and today we're gonna excuse me, like, yeah.
Oh.
Press E to transform. I have to hide.
Ah! Let me out!
Oh no. I can't transform!
Yo, is this the guy from Hello Neighbor?
Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the water!
I can break things. Ah.
You'll never know.
I just threw the couch. I didn't mean to shoot.
Help! Help!
What? What did you just do?
I got stuck in the water.
Let me out of here.
I do not want to be a prop. I do not want to be this type of prop.
Let me out of here. I will break this whole place down until I get out of here. Ah! Ah! Stupid chair. Break the glass.
Oh no.
Break the glass. Break the chairs. Throw the chair across the room. Break the couches. This trash can. Throw the trash can at the screen.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. There you go. Wait. Actually,
Can I break the door?
There you go.
Guess not.
Word! Wait, can I turn into this? No. Okay. Word. He'll never know.
Ah! Huh.
What was that like timing? Oh wait. I was taunting. And then my taunt was barking, and right after when my character barked, you shot a gun. You're like, I'm gonna clip that like, yeah.
I'm coming to get you, big boy. Anything out of place in here? Obviously, I am farther away. How am I? I'm further away. God damn it. I have an idea. I heard that. I missed it. God damn it.
No!
Oh! Yes!
Damn. You don't understand my point of view. Dude, I just saw that whole thing calm down, bro. Like... Oh. Oh. I'm coming to get you. I'm going the wrong way. I'm coming to get you. Oh. Dang! You know why you went in the house, bro. Oh heck, no, I just realized how sad this is gonna be if I lose. What the? You got farther away from me, okay. So you moved, eh?
I think you know I'm fine.
Oh. Come on! You're not in this room. Meow again, I dare you.
Why was it so deep?
What?
I meowed, and instead of being meow, it was meow.
I think that was a cow. Wait a minute, can I drive? Word. I'll do that to you, gang. Meow, I dare you. How come you're not taunting, eh? What the f— Oh, wait a minute. Someone here, eh? What the— I have no more ammo!
My dresser!
What?
No, I can't!
Really? Really?
No!
Yes!
Brody. Alrighty.
Oh, wait.
Yo, I love how it keeps all of the things destroyed for us. Like, that's kind of funny. Ah, you're not that far away.
There we go.
Oh, I can move things with my hands. I don't think you're in here. I think you're in this house. Oh, bro. Go ahead and taunt, I dare you. Oh, you're pretty close, I see. This is all pretty standard stuff to be in here. He's running away. I hear his little bubbles. Damn it. Oh, bro. I have an idea. Where are you?
No! No, please! Please! No! No, please. Ah. Hey, I got a little target sign right there. You know that little target sign? Right there? The target. I'm giving you a chance. I'm telling you I'm the target. Yeah, that thing right there. Yeah.
Yes!
Wait, what? No, I won!
Wait, did you? I don't even know.
Yes, I survived!
Oh. This is so perfect.
So perfect, huh? Dang! Oh my gosh! 300? You might be smart enough. Okay. I know you're in this kitchen, boy. Why do they need 3 fridges, huh? Huh? Tell me. Why do they need 4 fridges? Okay. 100! Why is it getting worse? Dang, bro. Okay, this is not real. This is not real. No way. No way.
No way, what?
Oh my gosh, are you up high? Oh, I didn't even think about that. Still have a minute. Still have a minute. Come on.
Run! Oh! Ah! I'm climbing the tree, I'm stuck!
I can't move in this gosh dang forest.
Ow! Oh, come on, 25 more seconds! Let me save him now! Alright. Yo, why is this gas station collapsed still? Oh, wait, it saves it. That's right.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I see nothing.
You know what? I'm going over here first.
You're going to the same place that you were. You're far away then. That's all I'll give you, bro. That's all I'll give you.
Oh, yeah, really? I'm far away, huh?
Dang it!
Where are you?
No! No! There's no way of me doing anything! Dude, you stupid idiot! I was like, I found the perfect spot. You'll never find me. Why is that? Let me just like look over there real quick. Let me just let me check real quick. Like what the? It should have gone faster. This. Why would you put the thing up, bro? You could have been down out of there. I was like,
wait a minute.
why are you over there, Nathan? I'm gonna easily find you.
Oh, perfect.
Wait a minute. Did you get up there?
No!
I I knew it so much. I knew it so badly. I knew it.
Oh, crap.
Bro, really?
I couldn't transform. I was trying to transform into something else, but it didn't work.
I just knew it. I knew it too. I was like, dang, how did you get up there?